To get a different pin for the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Tap lock type for parental controls, and then select Samsung Kids pin. Enter 4-digit pin numbers for the Kids app. Re-enter the pin to confirm it. As a note, this pin will be used to close the Kids app and to access parental control menu. Next, go back to the Kids app main page. Tap the back key. As you can see, instead of entering your current screen lock, now you have to enter your 4-digit pin numbers to close the Kids app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.